Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to transfer money in the Deutsche Bank mobile app. First, open the bank app and then log in into your account. Next, on the home screen, tap on Transfer or Payments. Now, choose an existing recipient or tap Add new recipient and enter their bank details. Next, type the amount you want to send. Check all details carefully. Then tap Continue. Now confirm using your PIN, Face ID or verification code. Your money will now be sent Your money will now be sent successfully. You'll also see a confirmation message. Always double check the account number before sending the money. That's how you transfer money using the Deutsche Bank app. Subscribe for more simple banking tutorials.